Euro dollar daily forecast May 8th, fxempire.com. Euro dollar gapped lower at the beginning of the session on Monday. As you can see, it gapped pretty much down to just a little bit over the 130 level. We did manage to break through this Sunday candle, which of course is the first 2 hours of the session, then gave way to the market eventually closing the gap. At the end of the day, we did give back a little bit, and the gap is filled. So now the real question becomes, where do we go from here? Typically, the markets will fill a gap and then continue in the move. However, as we've seen the 130 level repel markets so often recently, we choose to wait for a daily close under the 130 level, and we just simply did not get it. The descending triangle does look like it's been broken, but until we get that sub 130, we're just not comfortable, as you can tell would have gotten you burnt many times before if you're willing to sell down here. At this point in time, we have absolutely no interest in buying, and we do believe that this descending triangle will get triggered eventually, but caution is the better part of valor in this particular situation, as so many people have gotten burnt selling the euro. There is talk that 130 is a level that central banks are protecting, namely Asian central banks, as so many of them diversified away from the US dollar a couple years ago, right about the time all of this started. The downtrend, that is. Central banks have a long history of being absolutely horrible market timers, and as such, this gives us just even more confidence that this will eventually happen. But until we get that sub 130 close, we are going to have to sit on our hands and play it safe.